Hey there, drone enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel. If you're passionate about capturing breathtaking aerial footage and exploring the world from new heights, you're in for a treat. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 5 drones with 4K cameras of 2023. Get ready to elevate your photography and videography game with stunning clarity and precision. You can find all the links to these amazing drones in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my future drone adventures. Let's soar through the skies and discover the best drones of 2023. Starting at number 5, Fly drone with 4K camera. The Fly drone is a compact and feature-rich camera drone that offers impressive performance and versatility. With its 4K camera and 3-axis gimbal, it allows you to capture stunning aerial footage with excellent stability and clarity. The drone's 5.8 GHz operating frequency ensures a strong and stable connection, while the 35-minute flight time provides ample opportunity for extended flights. With a maximum altitude of 4,000 meters and a maximum horizontal speed of 14 meters per second, the Fly drone offers great freedom and agility in the air. Equipped with a 1/3 0-inch sensor and 8 million pixels, the drone's camera delivers sharp and detailed photos. It supports expandable storage up to 128 GB, allowing you to store a vast amount of high-quality video and images. The drone's 3,000 meters remote distance and 3-axis gimbal stabilizer further enhance control and stability during flights. The Fly drone features GPS positioning, optical flow, and ultrasonic sensors for precise positioning and stable hovering. It also offers intelligent flight modes and functions such as follow me, waypoint navigation, and auto return, enhancing the overall flying experience. Whether you're a professional photographer or an enthusiast, the Fly drone is an excellent choice for capturing breathtaking aerial footage. Its 4K camera, long flight time, intelligent features, and stable flight performance make it suitable for a wide range of applications. At number 4, Heeks F-13 drone with 4K camera. The Heeks F-13 drone is a versatile and high-performance drone designed for users of all skill levels. With its 4K camera and 3-axis gimbal, it delivers exceptional video quality and stability, ensuring professional-grade aerial footage. Featuring a 4-channel control system and a flight time of about 30 minutes, the F-13 drone offers precise control and extended flying sessions. The brushless motor provides efficient and powerful performance, allowing for stable flights and smooth maneuvers. With a control distance of 3,000 meters and a maximum flight altitude of 120 meters, you can explore vast areas and capture breathtaking shots. The drone supports various features such as app control, auto return, and integrated camera control. It comes with a built-in battery and USB charging for convenient power management. The F-13 drone's durable construction and ready-to-go assembly make it a reliable choice for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, the Heeks F-13 drone offers a fantastic aerial photography experience. Its 4K camera, long flight time, reliable control, and robust design make it suitable for capturing stunning footage and exploring the skies. At number 3, Jedge 906 drone with 4K camera. The Jedge 906 drone is a reliable and feature-rich camera drone that offers an excellent aerial photography experience. Equipped with a 4K camera and a 3-axis gimbal, it ensures stable and smooth video recordings, allowing you to capture stunning imagery from above. With a maximum video resolution of 4K and 5 million pixels, the drone delivers detailed and high-quality footage. The drone's 2.4 GHz operating frequency and 4 km transmission range provide a stable connection and extended control distance, respectively. It supports up to 128 GB of storage, allowing you to store a large amount of video and photos. The C906 drone features GPS positioning, which enables precise flight control and functions like follow me mode. With a maximum flight time of 30 minutes and a control range of 4,000 meters, you can explore and capture footage for an extended period. The drone supports both app control and remote control, providing flexibility and ease of use. Whether you're an aerial photographer or a drone enthusiast, the JEDS 906 drone offers an excellent combination of features and performance. Its 4K camera, cues positioning, long flight time, and reliable control make it suitable for capturing stunning aerial shots. At number 2, XGI 9 Max drone with 4K camera. The XGI 9 Max drone is a versatile and feature-packed drone that delivers excellent performance for both indoor and outdoor use. With its 4K camera and 3-axis gimbal, it ensures stable and smooth video capture, allowing you to create professional quality footage. Operating on a 5.8 GHz frequency, the drone provides a strong and stable connection, allowing for long-range flights. The brushless motor offers reliable and efficient performance, while the 26-minute flight time allows for extended flying sessions. The drone's maximum flight altitude of 4,000 meters and remote distance of 3,000 meters provide ample freedom for exploration. The i9 Max drone comes with a range of features, including app-controlled operation, auto-return, follow-me mode, and FPV capability. The integrated camera and Wi-Fi connectivity enable real-time video transmission and easy control through the app. The drone's lightweight design and ready-to-go assembly make it convenient to carry and set up. Whether you're a drone enthusiast or a beginner looking to explore aerial photography, the XGI 9 Max drone is a fantastic choice. Its 4K camera, long flight time, impressive range, and intelligent features make it suitable for capturing breathtaking footage from the sky. At number 1, Flirt KIF 102 drone with 4K camera. The Flirt KIF 102 drone is a powerful camera drone that offers impressive features for capturing high-quality aerial footage. Equipped with a 4K camera and a 2-axis gimbal image stabilizer, it ensures stable and smooth video recordings. With a maximum video resolution of 8 and 20 million pixels, the drone allows for detailed and vibrant imagery. The drone operates on a 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequency, providing a stable connection and reducing interference. It comes with a 32 GB storage capacity, allowing you to store a considerable amount of footage. The GPS positioning feature ensures precise flight control and enables functions like follow me and auto return. Controlling the drone is convenient and intuitive with the Fun Plus app, remote control, and Wi-Fi connection options. The 6-channel control channels provide flexibility and responsiveness during flight. With a flight time of 25 minutes and a charging time of approximately 3 hours, you can enjoy extended flying sessions. The Flirt KIF 102 drone is a great choice for aerial photographers and videographers looking for a reliable and feature-rich drone. Its 4K camera, gimbal image stabilization, key piece positioning, and easy-to-use controls make it suitable for capturing stunning aerial footage.